beautiful souls! Welcome to Glams Glow, your go-to place to glow from the inside out. Today, I'm sharing my ultimate step-by-step guide on how to glow up before school starts. From skincare, hair, style, to mindset and healthy habits, I got you covered. Ready? Let's get glowing. Skincare glow routine. First step, skincare. Your skin is your natural canvas. Treat it gently. Start with a gentle cleanser to remove impurities without stripping moisture. Follow with a hydrating toner to balance your skin. Then apply a lightweight moisturizer to keep your skin soft and fresh. Never skip your sunscreen. Even on cloudy days, it protects your glow and prevents damage. Once or twice a week, treat yourself to a hydrating face mask. And don't forget to exfoliate gently. It helps renew your skin and keeps your face bright. Hair care and styling tips. Next, your hair, your crown. Healthy hair boosts confidence instantly. Trim those split ends for a fresh start. Use a nourishing hair mask once a week to add shine and softness. Try to minimize heat styling. Embrace natural waves or easy braids. Learn simple hairstyles like a low ponytail with a cute scrunchie, a messy bun, or a classic braid. These are quick, stylish, and perfect for school days. Outfit planning and wardrobe refresh. Now let's talk style. You don't need a huge wardrobe to look amazing, just versatile basics and a few statement pieces. Start by decluttering your closet. Donate what you don't wear. Then organize your clothes by category: casual, sporty, and dressy. Plan your school outfits in advance. Mix and match basics like white tees, denim jeans, oversized sweaters, and cute sneakers. Add accessories like simple necklaces, rings, or a stylish backpack to elevate your look. Take photos of your favorite outfits and save them on your phone. This way, you can quickly choose your look without stress every morning. Morning routine upgrade. A calm morning sets the tone for your entire day. Try waking up 20 minutes earlier to give yourself some peaceful time. Start with a glass of water to hydrate. Then, do your skincare routine, get dressed, and enjoy a healthy breakfast. Think colorful fruits, yogurt, or a smoothie bowl. Take a few minutes to journal your goals or positive affirmations for the day. A consistent morning routine helps reduce stress and keeps your energy steady throughout the school day. Mental glow and confidence boost. The most important glow comes from your mindset. Speak kindly to yourself every day. Your self-talk shapes your confidence. Write down 3 things you love about yourself or 3 wins from the day, no matter how small. This builds self-love and resilience. Remember, confidence is your best accessory. Wear it proudly, and the world will notice. School supplies aesthetic upgrade. Your study space matters. Make it cozy and inspiring. Choose pastel or neutral-colored notebooks, fun pens, and a stylish backpack. Organize your supplies so they're easy to access and visually pleasing. Having a pretty, organized desk motivates you to study and stay on top of your work. Remember, glow up is a journey, not a race. Be patient, kind to yourself, and stay consistent. This school year, shine bright, be confident, and never stop growing. If you enjoyed this guide, please like, subscribe, and join the Glams Glow family for more glow up tips. See you in the next video.